Hi, welcome to the section of Manage and Customize Catalog. In this section we will discuss more about categories, products, manufacturers, product attributes, product expected and reviews, also specials. That's all of the lectures under the section of Customize and Manage Categories. Let's start with the lecture 1 of categories products. In this lecture you will learn how to add main categories, subcategories, how to add products under the categories, and how to customize all of the features of products. So let's start to discuss more about this part of the section category catalog. Here we see the categories of products. We see the sum of these folders: hardware, software, DVD, movies, and gadgets. All of these are main categories on the site of my store. Here we see hardware, software, DVD, and gadgets. All of these appears to be the main categories as it's shown here. Here's the name of these categories, and we see the status. Also we see the action, and we see here edit or delete or move. We can do any actions about all of these categories. Also we can add many new categories or a new product. Let's try to add a new category here. So we are going to add a new category with the name of mobiles and phones. Okay, this is the name of categories. We can choose image for this category, or we can leave it alone. Let's start to choose any image for this category. So we are going to the main of my home page, and here I'm going to choose this image or this image. Okay, any of these. It does not matter. Okay, and here's I'm choosing and okay. Here's save. So here we see the categories appears to be the number of 5. Here we see the mobiles and phones, hardware, software, DVD. Also we have subcategories. If we, let's click here on some of these categories, we see here the category with subcategories. Here we see the speakers, printers, monitors, mics, memory, keyboard, graphics, CD-ROM. All of these are subcategories. Here we see categories number 8. All of these are subcategories of main category hardware. So here we see the go to hardware. So this is the main category of hardware. Also if we are going to the front end, here we see the hardware. When we click here at the hardware, we will see all of subcategories. Here we see the subcategories 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. CD-ROM driver, memory, printers, all of these appears represented here at the front end. Also it appears here at the back end with the admin area. Also we can add or edit some products under or some of these subcategories. Let's try to go to add any products, or previously we have to go to add a new category as we mentioned before. Let's try to get back here. We was add a new category with the name of mobiles and phone. I'm going to add a new subcategory at this categories, mobile and phones. Let's try to add, to click here. Here we see the category of mobiles and phones, and I'm going to add 2 or 3 subcategories under mobile and phones here. So let's try to add a new category as you see here. LG. I'm going to define LG mobiles as you see here, and we can choose some of these products like LG as this, and I'm going to open. Order, it will be 0 to be the first option or the first category under the LG mobile. Then I'm going to add save. So now we add a new subcategory with the name of LG mobiles. Let's go back here Now we are going to the root of mobile and phones. Again, come back to mobile and phone. Here we see the main subcategory, the subcategory 1 of the LG mobiles with category number 1, product 0. Let's add a new category under mobile and phones, and I'm going to add mobiles, here again, mobiles, iPhone, that's it. And I'm going to add also an image for iPhone. Any image represents the iPhone. As example, this image, let's try to add this as an image for iPhone with the subcategory, and here we are going to add OK, then choose the order 1, then we are going to save. So now we have 2 subcategories, LG mobile and mobiles iPhone. Let's try to edit this category. If I want to add the name of this category, mobile iPhones, I'm going to add the iPhone firstly, then I'm going to add the name of this previously, or the last. Here I'm going to save again. So that's all. Here we see the iPhone mobiles, LG mobiles. Also, I want to add the third subcategory with the name of Samsung. Okay, here I'm going to add Samsung. What's the problem here? Let's try to see where's the problem. Okay, Samsung mobiles, and also we are going to choose the image. Let's try to choose this image to represent the Samsung, and here I'm going to add the set order. Then we click the save. Here we see the third subcategories of mobiles. We can add more subcategories if we want. So that's all for how to add category or subcategory. Let's go to the home page at the site here, and let's try to add a refresh. And here we see the mobile and phones. This is the main category which was added. And here we see the subcategory of mobile and phones. Here we see the LG mobiles, iPhone mobiles, and here's Samsung mobiles. Here we see the subcategories as you see here: LG mobiles, iPhone mobiles, also Samsung mobiles. Let's try to click here at this subcategory. Here we see there are no products available in this category. To start adding products at the subcategory or categories, we are going again to the back end, which represents the admin area of the osCommerce website, and we are going to add a couple of or some of the products at these categories or subcategories. Let's try to go to the LG mobiles category. Here we see the LG mobile. Let's try to click again to the LG. Here we are logged in to the subcategory of LG, and as you see here, category product, go to LG mobiles, and here we can add a new subcategory or a new product at this subcategory of LG mobiles. So here we are going to add a product under the LG mobile. Let's try to do that. Add a new product. Click here. Here we see the new product in LG mobiles and phones. Subcategory LG mobile, and the main category of mobiles and phones. Here is the product status. This is the first field: in stock or out of stock, which is the status of your product. Here is the date available, by default current date, and here is the product manufacturers. If we have the manufacturer of LG, we have to choose. Otherwise, we have to choose none. Still now, we don't have any manufacturers for LG. And here's the product name. LG G5 or G6. Tax class, taxable goods, including tax. That means products price 130 or 1. That's all. Here's the product price, and here's the product's price gross, including the tax. And here's the product description. Okay, let's try to add the LG G6 as the best mobile in the year up to 2016. That's it. And let's grab this text to add a couple of the front text here. Product quantity 300 as example, and here we see the product model G6 XV as a model, and here we can choose the image. Main image 100 pixel by 80 pixel. Let's choose this image, and to choose this image we have to go to the images from the main LG as example. All of these are dummy data. If you have an URL for the product, you can add it here. And here's the product weight, 0.200 gram. That's all. And if we want to add some large image, we have to add this image as example 1. Okay. Also, we can add other large image as example here. We are going to choose the other image. All of these are example for the large image, and okay. Finally, we have to save this product. So this product was added under the LG G6, under the LG mobiles, which subcategory of LG. Let's try to come back to the main or to the main page of the osCommerce, and here we see the mobiles and phones. Click here. Here we see the new product for July LG G5. This product. This is the subcategory. Click here to see. Okay, that's great. LG, the name of the product LG G5, the price $130. That's all. Let's try to visit this product to see more about this product. That's good. Here we see the full product, but let's try to. Okay, that's good. Here is the maximum, the full size, and here is the other image of this product. We could see this image if we want to go to the gallery. So we have here 2 products. That's all for the thumbnails and the minimum or the default product. Let's try to add more product, but under the other categories here. So we are going to the mobiles and phones, but we have to add some product under the iPhone. Okay, let's try to add new product under the iPhone mobile. Here we go to add a new phone. Date available. Let's try to be from current date. Product manufacturers. We didn't have any name of Apple, as I see here. Microsoft, Samsung. Okay. Here, so we leave it blank with none. Product name iPhone 6 as example. Okay. Taxable good, or leave it with no tax. And here's the price, $400. So here we see the product price gross. Sorry. Okay, here is the product price, and because of the tax class appears to be 0, and here we have to add some information. iPhone 6 is the best mobile in the world as example. Okay, let's try to copy or grab this text to add some text here, and here is the quantity of 600 as example. Model name XS as example. Also here we have to add some image for this product. Let's go to choose this image. Okay. Also we have to add large image as example. Here we see large image. Also the same image as example. Then we are going to choose the product URL if it found from the original company. Here is the weight of the product 250 as example. It's in gram. Finally we have to save this particular product which is iPhone 6. Let's go to the My Store and make a refresh to see. As you see here, new products for July, this iPhone and this LG. Let's go to the mobile phone. We see here two products, new product iPhone and LG. Let's try to click here to the sub category with iPhone mobile, and here we see this product. This is the product name, this is the product image, here is the price, here is the buy button of buy now if you want. Let's try to click on the product to see full details. Here's the name, here is the sum of description, here's the price, here's the image, and here's the full image, full size. Let's try to maximize the image if we want, then we have to close. That's all for add some products to the store of osCommerce, and that's all. We can edit if we want to add some products or delete or move or copy to other place. That's all for this lecture, and see you in next lecture. Goodbye.